corporate planning, sure, we should be given advance notice, at least a year. But having said that, from all your answers, I don't think you're going to sway, you're going to go ahead with your plan.
Yes.
So if you're going ahead with your plan, you need to look after our interests. You should set up a committee that's going to listen to all of us. A very active ad hoc committee who's not going to turn us away, who's not going to listen to us and give us lip service.
Sure.
You have to set up that hotline for us. Any questions we have, they have to be there for us. And if we don't like it, you have to come and call for another meeting and you have to entertain us. Don't turn us away because we've been very faithful with the school until today. And I'm still recommending people here despite all my experiences good and bad with Chempaka. Okay, over the years, we are still here. I have many friends with my daughters. We are still recommending people to come. But the thing is that communication has always been terrible. And I have accommodated. Three drivers just to stand by for the kids. Can you imagine? I'm the third one. And if my husband is around the fourth one. Mom, we have an activity that has been changed from what time to which venue, then we have to go. It's been Chempaka production for years